Today, we're diving into a showdown between the OnePlus 15 and the Oppo Find X9 Pro, two powerhouses pushing the boundaries of smartphone tech. Will the OnePlus 15's blazing 165Hz LTPO AMOLED display and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip outperform Oppo's peak 3600 nits brightness and versatile MediaTek Dimensity 9500? How do their cameras stack up with OnePlus's impressive periscope telephoto against Oppo's massive 200MP sensor? And when it comes to battery life, features, and price, which phone truly delivers the best bang for your buck? Stick around as we unravel these questions and ask, is the OnePlus 15 just hype, or does Oppo's Find X9 Pro quietly steal the crown? Starting with the display, the OnePlus 15 stands out with its 165Hz refresh rate on a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel, delivering ultra-smooth visuals and 13% higher brightness combined with 10% lower power consumption. This makes it not only vibrant but also efficient for prolonged use. Meanwhile, Oppo's Find X9 Pro boasts an extraordinary peak brightness of 3600 nits, perfect for visibility in direct sunlight, although it sticks to a 120Hz refresh rate. For those who prioritize buttery smooth scrolling and gaming performance, OnePlus's display tech takes the edge here. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, featuring two high-performance cores clocked at 4.6 GHz, ensuring top-tier speed and efficiency. Oppo's Find X9 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 9500, which offers solid multi-core performance, but with a slightly lower peak clock speed. For raw power and gaming capabilities, OnePlus's chipset delivers a more aggressive performance profile, making it the better pick for enthusiasts. When it comes to special features, OnePlus 15 impresses with its MindSpace app for capturing info on the fly, an AI plus Mind Assistant, and a dedicated AI button enhancing multitasking. Oppo counters with its Trinity engine, optimizing system resources, a Hasselblad professional teleconverter camera for superior photography, and satellite connectivity support for off-grid communication. Both bring unique strengths, but OnePlus leans into AI-driven productivity, while Oppo focuses on camera innovation and connectivity. The OnePlus 15's camera setup shines with a versatile 50MP periscope telephoto lens, offering 3.5x optical zoom and optical image stabilization, perfect for detailed long-range shots. Oppo's Find X9 Pro ups the ante with a staggering 200MP main sensor, capturing ultra-high-resolution images with excellent light sensitivity. If you prioritize zoom and stabilization, OnePlus leads. For sheer resolution and detail, Oppo is unmatched. On camera features, OnePlus 15 includes AI Detail Boost and AI Unblur and Reflection Eraser, enhancing photo clarity and reducing imperfections, alongside Hasselblad color calibration for natural tones. Oppo's Find X9 Pro counters with the Hasselblad Professional Imaging Kit and a magnetic flash ring light, plus X-Pan mode for creative ultralight and shadow effects. Both excel in photography, but Oppo offers more professional-grade tools for creative shooters. Battery-wise, Oppo Find X9 Pro slightly edges out with a 7500 mAh Li-ion battery, promising longer endurance, while the OnePlus 15 houses a robust 7300 mAh Li-ion cell. The difference is marginal, but Oppo's battery chemistry may offer better longevity and charging efficiency. Both phones are built tough with IP68, IP69 ratings, making them dust-tight and water-resistant to high-pressure jets, and submersible up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. Durability is a tie here, ensuring both devices can handle rough conditions without worry. In terms of memory, OnePlus 15 offers configurations up to 1 TB storage with up to 16 GB RAM, providing ample space and speed for multitasking and storage. Oppo matches the maximum storage and RAM, but lacks the 256 GB 16 GB RAM variant, slightly limiting mid-tier options for power users. Finally, pricing puts Oppo Find X9 Pro in a More aggressive range between $750 and $950, while OnePlus 15 starts at $900 and above, making Oppo potentially the better value for those seeking flagship specs on a tighter budget.